In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from photo in Photoshop. So first off, you need to have an image inside the Photoshop, and then what you want to do is click on the lasso tool and select where there's the watermark. So in this case, I want to remove this autograph down here in the grass. So I just select it. You don't have to be very precise, but the more precise you are, the better the result is going to be. So as you can see, I went briefly around the edges, and then once you've selected this, you go up here to where it says edit, and then you have to have this layer selected that you want to remove the watermark from. You press edit and then go under content aware fill, and as you can see, this already did a pretty good job. Like, you wouldn't be able to tell there was a watermark there, but if you want the editing to be more precise, you have to select the green area which you want the watermark area to be represented by. So let's say I don't want it to have this tree inside and this part of the mountains in the back. I just want it to have a grass, so it's going to make this additional layer over the watermark based on what you have selected. So I've only selected grass, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job. And then when you press OK, you then have a clear image without a watermark, and there's no signature at the bottom. Now this is now a new layer. So as you can see, if I unsee this layer, you can see the watermark as well, and if I enable the layer again, you cannot see it anymore, and you can just simply merge these two layers and you have a clear image without a watermark.